When you search for diver watches, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs, same claims. But to find the one that truly fits your needs, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, ADDISDIVE Men's Dive Watch. First up is the ADDISDIVE Men's Dive Watch. At just $48.59, this caught my attention with its striking gradient dial available in vibrant colors. If you want a reliable and easy-to-read watch that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk about what makes this watch stand out. The luminous hands and markers are super helpful for those night dives or low-light situations, ensuring you can always check the time. Plus, the Japanese quartz movement means you won't have to fuss with winding it, just set it and forget it. The 41 case diameter is a comfortable size for most wrists, fitting securely up to 8.5 inches. Now, I did find some users complained about the quality of the luminous features, saying they fade quickly after a few hours. Here's the thing though, if you're not planning on spending hours in the dark, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, stylish dive watch that performs well without the frills. Skip this one if you need something more high-end or have bigger wrists. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if the gradient dial isn't your style, the next one might be more your speed. Product number 2, Invicta Men's 5053 Pro Diver. Next up is the Invicta Men's 5053 Pro Diver Collection Automatic Watch, priced at $92.94. This one really grabbed my attention with its classic look and automatic movement. If you want a watch that combines style with functionality, this is a solid contender. This watch features a 40mm stainless steel case that feels durable and has a nice weight to it. The black dial with luminous hands ensures that you can easily read the time under any conditions. One of the key features here is the NH35A Japanese automatic movement. It's powered by your movements, so no batteries are needed. This not only makes it eco-friendly, but also gives you a sense of traditional craftsmanship. Plus, it has a transparent case back, so you can admire the inner workings of the watch. However, some buyers reported that the watch can feel a bit bulky for smaller wrists. But honestly, if you're looking for a robust diving watch, you might appreciate the heft. This is perfect for you if you want an automatic watch that stands out and is quite reliable for diving adventures. Skip this if you prefer a lightweight option or a purely digital display. For the quality, it offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a bigger watch. Product number 3, Invicta Men's Pro Diver Stainless Steel Quartz. Coming in at $79.95 is the Invicta Men's Pro Diver Stainless Steel Quartz watch. This watch caught my eye with its bold 48mm case size and sleek design. If you're looking for something that makes a statement while still being functional, check this out. The 48mm stainless steel case is impressive, and it has a black dial that really pops. The luminous hands and markers guarantee you won't miss the time even in murky waters. The quartz movement ensures accuracy, and it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, which is great for casual water sports. Plus, it includes subdials for tracking minutes and seconds, a nice touch for those who like to time their dives. Now, I did see some feedback about the watch being too heavy for daily wear. However, if you're focused on diving or water sports, the weight can actually give you a feeling of durability and sturdiness. This is perfect for you if you want a bold watch that's functional for both diving and everyday wear. Skip this if you prefer something lighter or more minimalist. For the style and features, it's truly a good deal. If the size of that one felt overwhelming, let's move to something more streamlined. Product number 4, Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz with stainless steel strap. Next up is the Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz watch with stainless steel strap at $51.43. Right off the bat, I love the classic design, and the blue dial really gives it a unique flair. If you're after a stylish yet functional dive watch, this could be the one. The luminous hands make it easy to tell time underwater, and the 40mm case size is quite wearable. It's also adjustable, so you can achieve that perfect fit on your wrist. Plus, the flame fusion crystal is scratch resistant, which is great if you're out and about. However, a few reviews mention that the bezel could feel a bit stiff when turning, which can be frustrating during a dive. But honestly, if you're careful with it, this shouldn't impact your overall experience too much. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile watch that looks good both in and out of the water. Skip this one if you need a watch with more advanced features or a larger size. For what you get, it's a fantastic value. Now, if you're interested in something even more budget-friendly, let's take a look at our last watch. Product number 5, Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz Watch. Last but not least is the Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz Watch, priced at $64.95. This caught my attention with its simple yet elegant design, perfect for both casual and formal occasions. If you want something that blends style with practicality, this is a great option. The luminous hands and markers ensure you can always check the time, and it has a fold-over safety clasp for secure wear. The watch is lightweight at just 170 grams, making it comfortable for all-day wear. However, some users pointed out that it may not have the same durability as pricier models. But here's the thing, if you're looking for an everyday watch that's both stylish and functional, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a nice-looking dive watch that doesn't cost a fortune. Skip this if you plan to do serious diving and need something more heavy-duty. For its price, it's definitely worth considering. To sum it up, we've looked at 5 amazing diver watches, each catering to different needs and styles. The ADDISDIVE offers affordability, while the Invicta 5053 brings classic style. The larger Invicta Pro Diver is perfect for bold looks, and the streamlined models balance elegance and functionality. Whatever your diving needs are, there's something here for you.